Hey friends, I'm going to make this Reese no-bake bar mix for my husband who's been working hard all day like a champ. And I want to make him something nice that doesn't take a lot of effort. So it says no-bake bar mix. You need a stick of margarine melted. So I have the margarine in the bowl. I've already sprayed this 8x8, although it says you can use a 9x9. I don't want these to come out too thin. So I'm going to use an 8x8 dish. I'm going to go ahead and melt this margarine for 45 seconds covered so it doesn't pop all over the microwave. Alright friends, so we have the butter melted and now we're going to open up the bag that is the peanut butter base and put it into here and stir it until it is mixed. All right, we have the mix in here and I tell you, it is very fragrant. There is a lot of peanut butter power going on in this base. All right, so as you're mixing this and stirring this, you will have little pockets of powder that you really need to get broken up. So just keep going until it's all the way mixed. The next step is going to be to put the peanut butter base into this dish and press it down and get it all even. All right guys, so now it's in the pan and I promise you I'm going to get a tripod down here. My husband's going to get me one. He's got like 2,000 tripods in the house. And I'm going to get a tripod for my kitchen. All right, so here it is. It's pressed into the pan evenly. And as I suspected, I would recommend using an 8x8 pan because if you do a 9x9, it's going to be very thin. These are already kind of on the thin side, so I don't know about the product becoming that thick unless it gets some growth spurts in the refrigerator. Next step is to open up the chocolate. Okay. Right here. Open this bag. You have to knead it for 10 seconds and then spread that on top of the pan. All right, so we kneaded the bag for like 10 seconds. You can kind of tell by feeling it feels like it's all good. And just go ahead and put this on top in little dollops. I'm gonna put this on pause. Where there's a will, there's a way. So here's the chocolate. It's actually a nice little generous amount. Supposed to keep on doing this until you get the top coated. You don't eat peanut butter, Mama. No, you don't eat peanut butter, Mom. All right, friends, so here it is spread. I'm not gonna lie. It smells amazing, and I did taste some of the chocolate, and it's really, really good. Now you're supposed to put this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Well, it doesn't say to cover it, so there's nowhere on here where it says cover this. So I'm just going to put it in without a cover for 20 minutes. All right, friends, so my guy just informed me that I need to use a CapCut program or some sort of program because when I stop my camera, it ends and concludes the video. I don't have to do a part 2 to show you guys the result of my Reese no-bake bars. So I will put this part 1 and then I will add part 2 later on when I get them out of the fridge and cut them and plate them.